protecția îngerului. Acesta îl îndeamnă să meargă la Betleem să-l vadă pe pruncul Iisus. Arnon pleacă de îndată spre Betleem. Drumul este lung și anevoios, dar acolo efortul lui este răsplătit la vederea pruncului nou născut. Este o poveste care ne îndeamnă să pornim într-o călătorie imaginară spre Betleem, pe un drum spre sărac cu fapte bune, gânduri curate și toleranță.
Arnon and his family heard the tune. As they stepped out upon the hill, they could not tell from where it came. But Arnon said, "Find it, I will."
They searched the trees and the ravines, in caves and valleys deep. Also, they even asked the stones to sneak around among the sheep.
Hey Tinkle, did you hear the tune? Make me think, my friend. It sounds quite near from where I am.
Mai frumoasă că mă leagă în cheie de toamnă cu frunze scoare very near. Un zeu like a song to make us asleep, văduit de tărhane and make up the sheep.
The sheep lay down as if at rest. The tune was putting them to sleep. But Arman, Swap, and Tinkle too stayed up. The rider they must keep. For in their land the wolves did roam in packs to find a tasty meal, and mutton was their favorite dish. Arman knew they were near and real.
The twilight hole out else was still when Arnon looked up in the sky. He saw a vision floating in the air, one wings of gold, a seeming to fly. Then all at once, Arnon was sure the tune came from the vision bright. He said, "Peace on the earth, my friends. A child is born for you tonight. Follow the star to Bethlehem to worship the wonder of the world." Arnon stood and watched the angel, saying words sharp and clear. He told him where to find the dainty, and did the angel disappear.
Arnon floated on the ship. The ship followed. Arnon led. The rocks were sharp. The rocks were near.
The hills were steep.
The hills were steep. The ones for this path got cut their land.
You will master in my poor little hand. The bushes are thick and the stones are hard. On this place will you let me stay? Then I'll be able to continue the way.
bătrân